Bianca Nunez. Thank you so much for entering into my Olive Garden giveaway. So I met so many amazing people doing the giveaway, and just to let you know, I do more than just giveaways. That is just a fun way of me meeting new individuals. I am a health insurance specialist, so I help with your health insurance needs for families, individuals, small businesses, and entrepreneurs, or individuals who are retiring as well. So I would love to help you with your health insurance needs. So if you're worried about what may happen if you may possibly lose your job and not know where to start, that's what I would be here for. As well as, let's say you're self-employed, you're transitioning, and now you're an independent contractor, what your options are. Or if you're now going through that exciting journey where you're now going to be retiring and you don't know where to start because you've always had employer coverage, that's what I would be here for. So go ahead and click the link below if you want to go ahead and get more information from me, and we can go ahead and schedule a time and see what options are out there for you and put you in the best case scenario. Remember guys, health insurance is essential, so you use me to my fullest potential. Take care.